face it, there are always far too many sprouts at the Christmas dinner table. So why not just cook what you think people will eat and make the rest into soup? So I started with 400 grams of sprouts. I've trimmed the stems, I've removed the loose leaves, and I've given them a rinse, and I'm left with about 350 grams of sprouts. Now I'm just going to chop them coarsely. And voila! In this pan I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to turn on the heat and add in a knob of butter. Knob! Once the butter's melted, add in a chopped leek, a clove of garlic, and stir for 3 or 4 minutes. After a few minutes, add in the sprouts, stir for a minute. After a minute, add in 600 ml of vegetable stock, half a teaspoon of thyme, stir well and bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn down the heat, cover and simmer for no more than 5 minutes. Time's up, turn off the heat and let it cool for a bit. So what do you think we're going to do next? Come on, don't be shy, you know. That's right, we're going to whack out the Whizzy toy! Whew, if I was a smoker, I'd have a cigarette right now. Now adjust the seasoning, add in a big pinch of sugar and stir well. And you're ready! Sprouts, you either love them or you hate them, but this soup's actually pretty good. Brussel sprout soup is a very nutritious soup. But it can have some rather interesting side effects. Join me next time in Tiddly's busy kitchen with me pumping me yarn. Until then, Merry Christmas!